The Australian Labor Party held a leadership election on 1 October 1935, following the resignation of James Scullin. John Curtin was elected as his replacement, defeating Frank Ford and Norman Mackin, and consequently became leader of the opposition. Scullin had suffered persistent ill health for several years, and announced his intention to resign the leadership on 28 August 1935. A caucus meeting was held on 23 September. Although Scullin was absent due to a bout of influenza, the meeting passed a motion asking him to continue as leader, which he subsequently declined. A second meeting was held on 1 October, at which Scullin formally resigned and called for a leadership ballot. All 21 members of the Labour caucus voted, although 3 were overseas and voted by telegram. The 9 Lang Labour members were ineligible to vote, as they had not yet reconciled with the main party. There were 3 candidates: Deputy Leader Frank Ford, John Curtin, and Norman Mackin. On the first ballot, Mackin received only 2 votes, and was eliminated. It was reported that both Mackin voters transferred their support to Curtin on the second ballot, who was elected by a single vote over Ford. Curtin's victory was unexpected, as Ford was seen as the natural successor and had prior ministerial experience. Ford's association with the Scullin government and support of the Premier's plan were believed to have played against him. Curtin was the first leader of a major political party to represent a constituency in Western Australia.